Welcome to Beginner English Practice Channel. Basic greetings and communication. Hello. Hello, how are you today?
Hello. Hello, how are you today?
Goodbye. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.
Goodbye. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.
Please. Please pass me the salt.
Please. Please pass me the salt.
Thank you. Thank you for your help.
Thank you. Thank you for your help.
Sorry. I'm sorry for being late.
Sorry. I'm sorry for being late.
Excuse me. Excuse me, can I ask you something?
Excuse me. Excuse me, can I ask you something?
Yes. Yes, I agree with you.
Yes. Yes, I agree with you.
No. No, I don't think that's correct.
No. No, I don't think that's correct.
Maybe. Maybe we can meet later.
Maybe. Maybe we can meet later.
Sure. Sure, I'd love to join you.
Sure. Sure, I'd love to join you.
Daily activities. Wake up. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day.
Wake up. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day.
Sleep. I sleep early on weekdays.
Sleep. I sleep early on weekdays.
Eat. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m.
Eat. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m.
Drink. Drink plenty of water to stay healthy.
Drink. Drink plenty of water to stay healthy.
Work. I work in an office.
Work. I work in an office.
Study. I study English every evening.
Study. I study English every evening.
Exercise. Exercise is important for health.
Exercise. Exercise is important for health.
Walk. I walk to school every day.
Walk. I walk to school every day.
Read. I love to read books before bed.
Read. I love to read books before bed.
Write. I write in my journal daily.
Write. I write in my journal daily.
Home and family. House. My house is near the park.
House. My house is near the park.
Room. My room is clean and tidy.
Room. My room is clean and tidy.
Kitchen. The kitchen is where we cook food.
Kitchen. The kitchen is where we cook food.
Bathroom. I take a shower in the bathroom.
Bathroom. I take a shower in the bathroom.
Bed. My bed is very comfortable.
Bed. My bed is very comfortable.
Mother. My mother is a great cook.
Mother. My mother is a great cook.
Father. My father loves reading newspapers.
Father. My father loves reading newspapers.
Brother. My brother is younger than me.
Brother. My brother is younger than me.
Sister. My sister is very kind.
Sister. My sister is very kind.
Family. I love spending time with my family.
Family. I love spending time with my family.
School and education. Teacher. The teacher is explaining the lesson.
Teacher. The teacher is explaining the lesson.
Student. The students are studying hard.
Student. The students are studying hard.
Classroom. Our classroom is very spacious.
Classroom. Our classroom is very spacious.
Lesson. Today's lesson is about grammar.
Lesson. Today's lesson is about grammar.
Exam. I am preparing for my exam.
Exam. I am preparing for my exam.
Homework. I finished my homework on time.
Homework. I finished my homework on time.
Book. This book is very interesting.
Book. This book is very interesting.
Pen. I lost my pen yesterday.
Pen. I lost my pen yesterday.
Notebook. I write notes in my notebook.
Notebook. I write notes in my notebook.
Blackboard. The teacher wrote on the blackboard.
Blackboard. The teacher wrote on the blackboard.
Food and drinks. Breakfast. I had toast for breakfast.
Breakfast. I had toast for breakfast.
Lunch. My lunch was very tasty.
Lunch. My lunch was very tasty.
Dinner. We had pasta for dinner.
Dinner. We had pasta for dinner.
Fruit. Apples are my favorite fruit.
Fruit. Apples are my favorite fruit.
Vegetable. Carrots are healthy vegetables.
Vegetable. Carrots are healthy vegetables.
Juice. I love drinking orange juice.
Juice. I love drinking orange juice.
Milk. Milk is good for bones.
Milk. Milk is good for bones.
Bread. I like butter on my bread.
Bread. I like butter on my bread.
Rice. Rice is a staple food in many countries.
Rice. Rice is a staple food in many countries.
Tea. I drink tea every morning.
Tea. I drink tea every morning.